I now want to bring in the mayor of Albuquerque, Mayor Tim Keller. So I got to ask you this. You're out of ICU beds. The capacity issue is over 100%. What do you do now?
Well, we're looking at a couple of aspects. Firstly, we do have an ability to scale a little bit with respect to emergency facilities. And of course, looking unfortunately at a crisis level triage of care. And so this is just where we're at right now in Albuquerque. Very unfortunately, the city's also ready to basically convert anything into hospital or a care space. But our limiting factor is actually healthcare workers. You know, as we've heard, they're fatigued, they're working very hard, and we're maxed out. So our challenge now has actually been on getting that workforce as opposed to getting the physical space. And so we're also trying to. So we are recruiting heavily for workers. Retired healthcare workers, and we have a retired medical care, and we're actually also trying to bring in folks from other states. And so that is in process, and we've had some success with that. But we've also just got to drop the spread, right? I mean, the other side of the equation is we have to create more space in our existing system. And that's why we are moving heavily around areas like enforcement. So we've cross-deputized multiple departments. We've got firefighters, food inspectors, code inspectors, all doing enforcement. And so I do think now in Albuquerque, we have a much, much higher compliance rate for anything that's high risk, for mass groups, mass gatherings, even essential things like grocery shopping. So that's what we've been focused on both sides of that equation.
Hello, YouTubers. If you're watching this, it means you've checked out our channel, so thank you. Now do me a favor, subscribe by clicking on that button down there. Click on any of the videos to watch the latest interviews and highlights from MTP Daily and MSNBC. You can get more Meet the Press content every morning in the First Read newsletter. If you're tired of content that you don't know anything about where it came from, you don't have to have that problem with us. NBC News, MSNBC, MTP, and the Meet the Press mindset right here for you on YouTube. Subscribe now.